Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use 20 USDT coupon on Bybit. So the first step you need to do is to open Bybit and log in into your account. So once you complete that step, you simply need to click on your profile picture on the top left. Okay, so once you are here, let me close this. Okay, so once you are on that page, you will find here an option of rewards. So you need to click on that, and after that you have 20 USDT if you create your account newly. As you can see that my reward option is not showing because I already used that, but if you have a new card you have that coupon, and that you can use that coupon from here in the rewards section. So this is a process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.